So these are your headphones?
Those are mine. So
I love the 600.
Right, so if you break them... Hello, YouTube. What's up? I have DMS here, and today we're gonna do something interesting.
So I've heard.
Yeah, right.
I don't know what's going on yet.
So we're gonna hand you this HD600, and you're gonna make sure it's working.
Okay.
Right. I've got random access
You guys flew me all the way out here for that?
Yeah, just to make sure my HD600's working.
Well, you'll be pleased to know that it sounds like they're working fine. This is a good album, Random Access Memories.
Right. Absolutely. Yeah. Okay, so I have something here.
Okay. Oh, there's more than this.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
So I have a headphone hero. This is very important to today's.
I've seen this thing before.
Right, so you're gonna open it up. This is brand new,
It looks awfully a lot like a cardboard box.
Here's a knife.
Okay, oh, this is a nice knife too. All right. I'm just doing a whole unboxing thing here, aren't I?
Right.
Okay. Cutting towards myself, breaking the cardinal rules here. I know. Oh man, this is heavy duty.
Yeah, right. Do you want to know what the plan is?
I can only imagine. Okay, so you got me out here, you got a big case.
You're gonna take my personal pair of HD600s.
Okay.
Right? And then you're gonna stick them in that case, and then you're gonna just try to destroy them.
Oh gosh.
Right.
Okay.
So we have some heavy duty equipment here, like a forklift and, you know, a whole warehouse to play around with.
All right, well, these are your headphones.
Those are mine.
I love the 600.
Right, so if you break them...
Do I have to buy them?
No.
You have a lot of confidence in this.
Yes, I do.
Like bringing me into an alley here.
Okay, your turn.
Oh. I mean, they're fine.
Your turn.
Okay. I can comfortably say I've never yeeted a headphone before. You got hammers and stuff too? Dude.
Come on.
You Jersey guys are crazy, man.
Right there.
All right, all right.
There you go.
All right, I gotta say that's actually pretty satisfying.
Come on, beat it up.
All right, kick its ass.
Office space, baby.
Dude, we're not even bending this thing. Did you see this? Dude, you're a madman. Honest to God, I can see marks on this, but like it's not even like changing the texture of it. Kind of want to kick this thing. See if I can actually kick something. It's been a solid like 10 years since I tried kicking anything. Dude, I'm freaking out, man. This is like my favorite headphone on the planet, and we're just like beating the crap out of the box that it's in.
All right, what next?
So what exactly are you envisioning with this and that case? Because it's concerning.
Well, we're just gonna drop the hydraulics on it.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen.
Well,
and you're gonna do the honors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's basically if I break your headphones, you're gonna send me a bill?
No.
No. This is the only time I've ever stood in a forklift. He's all right. Here we go.
Again. Again. Let's get some leverage on this here.
I was gonna say.
More.
I think this would like completely crush my legs or something. Like that's a lot of weight. I don't think this is gonna break it.
Yeah. What do you want to do next? You want to drop it?
I mean, sure.
Okay, let's do it.
Well, that's a lot more than I've ever done to a headphone or a case.
Well, let's open it up and see what happened.
Oh gosh, okay. Oh. I mean, it still looks like an HD600.
You want to take it back to the desk and listen?
Sure.
All right, let's do it. Hopefully it survived.
I mean, I think it did.
Most likely. I mean, I have complete confidence in the case, but you never know.
That's nice. You got a little mod mic thing on there. I like those. Okay.
All right, so we just went crazy on that.
Yeah, that was an experience.
Right. So the first thing we're gonna do is test if these are still working. So here's my HD600.
If they don't, I'm never going to forgive myself for being a part of it.
That's okay. I'll just buy a new pair.
Oh, jeez.
With Dekoni money.
No, that's still random access memories. I got it in both ears.
Okay, and no distortion.
Huh?
No distortion, no nothing. Anything weird?
Not audible. It sounds fine to me. I'm going to turn it up a little bit here. Yeah. Sounds like my set at home.
Okay. So, what did we learn today?
This thing's pretty tough, and I kind of want one now.
All right, so we're going to give away this Headphone Hero, and the first thing you need to do to get this in your hands is to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and be subscribed to our Instagram, because that's where we're going to announce it. But the next thing we got to do is sign it. So let's do the honors.
Cool. Oh man, you probably don't want to film this part. My handwriting's terrible.
So, winners will be announced December 31st, 2021, and why don't you take us out?
Yeah, this has been super fun. I actually have some more videos planned with these guys, so out here filming a few things back to back. Right. I guess you guys will see me on their channel a little bit more, so yeah, I guess subscribe to the Dekoni guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
Great, let's do it.